My name is Connor McDowell. This is my Eagle project. It's a rain collection system for the Henderson Community Garden.
Yeah. Connor, why can't you first one?
Basically, we built a pergola system, or a pergola structure, over the fence of the garden, and attached a tarp and a pipe. It goes over to some rain barrels. For the tarp, we actually used it was an old trampoline and a cover tarp for the trampoline round, and it turned out when it was finished that the water permeated, so we ended up taking that down and switching it out with just a normal tarp, which works a lot better. Approximately 63 gallons for every inch of rain, which is about a little more than one rain barrel per inch of rain. The rain falls into the tarp and it enters that pipe, which comes down into this rain barrel right here, which is elevated, and it's connected to another rain barrel over there next to it, and you could actually connect as many as you want.